All right, we mixed up a bunch of baking soda and water, neutralized all this really good, mopped it several times, got it really, and now I'm out here gonna redo the veins in the Azure Blue. Gonna put down some more of the Miracle Grow, and we're gonna hit all these thin spots on the cola, and hopefully we sort of even things out and make things a little brighter. All right, went and got some more Miracle Grow. Gonna start touching up this blue and then mix in the cola. All right, we got all the blue done. The Miracle Grow, re-soaked it. Now we're gonna go along, blend in around with the cola, and try and hit all these areas that the stain didn't take. All right, did all the veins again, and then sort of spot treated a lot of the problem areas where we didn't get we had contamination with the citrus etch. Fix to put a second coat on some of these areas. All right, second coat on. I'm gonna let all this sit for a good 12 hours probably. All right, time to start neutralizing. We spot treated all the troubled areas, and anywhere it looked a little light, I just went ahead and hit again. We also redid the vanes here. Here it is. Now all we have to do is mop it all real good to get any remaining residue. And then let it dry and put the sealer on, and then the final thing will be wax. All those spots really cleaned them up. Looks great. Super stoked. All right, it's early in the morning. Gave it overnight to dry. We probably mopped it 3-4 times. It's pretty clean. It's got a little bit of lint and stuff from the mop head, so I'm gonna sweep that up. And then I'm gonna start the sealer. All right, got everything swept real good. Now we're gonna use Easy Seal acrylic solvent-based satin. This stuff has a really strong odor, so we're gonna open the windows, and I'm gonna use that respirator deal, or if I have to, filter. So you want to start in one of the furthest corners and work your way towards your exit. So I'm gonna start one of these back bedrooms and just work my way towards the door. You want to do circular motions and not like kind of random overlaps, it said. And you don't want it to pull. What else? I'm using a sprayer. What I read on the guide said that was the ideal method, and so we'll see how it goes. This is not spraying very good at all. I'm gonna go mess with my pattern or something. Sorry, I probably couldn't understand that, but I'm gonna see if I can get this to spray a little finer. If not, I might switch to a different sprayer. All right, I think I got this sprayer spraying a little better. I'm gonna try and do light coat. Tighten just the hair. No. All right, I think a big part of my problem is just keeping pressure. Make sure I keep pressure. Keep pumping the sprayer every so often. I hope I'm not going too thick. It doesn't look like it's really pulling though, so let's see how this goes. Going along here. Here's how it's coming along so far. It's going okay. Oh. Just left. Oh. Well, couldn't have played that out any better. We used, let's go look. So we got 3 gallons there of the Easy Seal, and that left of the 4th. So we used what, 3 1/3, maybe 3 1/4, which is about right. It gives you enough for 2 coats. So, oh, sorry about that. So it's about right on how I sprayed it, I guess. And we gotta give that 8 hours to dry, and then we can top coat it. It said for indoors, you definitely do 2 light coats outdoors. We'll take a look at it and see what we think. Might go ahead and do 2 coats just to make it good. All right, here we go. I meant to seal it the following day, but it's 2 days later on the second coat of sealer. Got me a new sprayer since I let the other ones gum up. I got our remaining a little over 3.5 gallons of our 7 gallons total for this 1,250 square foot project. I also got some acetone to clean the sprayer after I'm done, so I can save it. They say to use xylene on the Direct Color site, which would probably be, I mean, the reason I got acetone is because I saw that it cleans these sealers also, and I TIG weld aluminum sometimes, so I need acetone at times to clean that. All right, here's the first coat. All dry. I think this satin looks really nice. All right, we're gonna start the same place as the first coat. Back to this left bedroom. All right, got my breather. This stuff does get pretty stinky. Let's go. Boom. Gotta wait 8 hours for that to dry. Probably be tomorrow before I can start the first coats of wax. Almost forgot. We used basically 3 gallons. In fact, I can't remember what, maybe a touch less than 3 gallons. We ended up with, just using that last gallon, just a hair off of it. It's been, just got off work, it's been 12 hours since I put on that second coat of sealer. So, I brought in the wax because you're supposed to, it's like between 60 and 90 degrees is supposed to be the surface temperature, I believe. And you're supposed to let, this stuff's real sensitive to temperature, it said, so I brought them in here to acclimate and get the same temperature. So they're both like 75 degrees, the floor and the wax. I got my foam mop and I wet it with warm water, wrung out the excess. And we're gonna do the same as before with the sealer. We're gonna go back in that far corner so that we can have an escape route, so to speak, towards the exit. Oh, yeah, I think that's it. And so we'll start back there. So I got the wax solution. Gonna dip it in, not really sure how much. Yeah. That might be a little too much. Let's see how it goes. So I know it said to just go in one direction. So like, I'm gonna pull it, and it said to turn the edge towards inward, put pressure on that edge. Yeah, didn't really get it on the inside edge doing it like that. Try it again. To overlap a little bit every time. All right, little trial and error. Just gonna continue like that. We'll see how it goes. I'm not sure about those bubbles, that foam, but I'm just gonna run with it for now. They say it goes all kinds of milky. And again, I'm backing myself into a corner here. I should have gone shorter. Like that, but I'll make it work. All right. Gonna let this dry for 12 hours, if I remember correctly. And I used 3/4 of the bottle. I'll catch y'all tomorrow when we put the final coat on, and then we just gotta let that dry for like 24 hours before we have foot traffic and can start moving some stuff in. All right, guys, got the final coat of wax on yesterday. It's dried about, probably 30 hours now. Plenty of time to walk on. So let's take a look. We had to put up signs to keep people from stepping on it. Turned out pretty awesome. Let's see. So now it's on to things like, baseboard. You got some touch-ups to do on the some of the paint, different stuff like that. It's got a loft area. I gotta finish painting the ceiling and put in the lights and plugs. Other than that, just, really digging it. Just point out, like, you really can't see it. Yeah, right there. That's some of those tape lines. They kind of showed up. Should have taken more time with that. There's another one right here. But grand scheme, stained concrete is, for me anyway, is about, just kind of accepting imperfections, accepting, you're going to have little small cracks in the concrete, irregularities, and of course your finish is going to be, as it reacts with the different chemicals composition that's all mixed through the concrete and everything. But I love it.